Welcome, U.S. History 2 students. This is Ms. Foley coming to you through Screencastify. I hope that everybody is safe and doing well. I want to say congratulations. You finished Unit 6, World War II. So we did our map project, we did our exam, which was a legacy project. We finished the Hollywood project, all of those things I am going to be grading. And now we are jumping into our new unit. Our new unit is called Unit 7, Early Cold War. So I figured I'm going to give you this Google document. So we're not going to do a KWL chart because it's online learning. Instead, we're just going to always look at this document, and this will kind of tell us what we're going to be doing on each day and what is going to be required of you. So today is the first day, Unit 7, Day 1, March 27th, and we are going to be learning about the origins of the Cold War. The Cold War pretty much starts right after World War II. We want to know why it starts. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at a Google document that has 2 YouTube videos. You're going to be watching the YouTube videos and answering questions, and I'll just show you that in a second. Next class, on the 31st, we're going to be learning about the Korean War. I'm going to be doing a lecture on the Korean War, and then you're going to be taking a quiz after that lecture. On the 2nd, we're going to be learning about what North Korea looks like today. You're going to be watching a really interesting documentary. What's cool about this unit is this is exactly what I would do if we were in class. So we watch this documentary, and then you're going to be doing some analysis through a Google document. Then on April 6th, we're going to be learning about the Red Scare, McCarthyism. I'm going to have a short video, a short lecture about it. And then you're going to be doing some political cartoon analysis. Again, this gets done on a Google document. On the 8th, we're going to be learning about Eisenhower's Cold War policies. I'm going to have a short lecture. And then just like the Korean War, there's going to be a quick quiz on Google Forms that you're going to complete. The 20th is pretty interesting, life in the 1950s, so learning about Elvis, learning about rock and roll, that kind of stuff, like some cool cultural stuff. There's a web quest that you're going to do through a Google document. It's a couple of YouTube videos, that kind of thing, pretty interesting. On the 22nd, so as you can see, the 8th and the 20th, there's a huge gap. That's spring break. So there's not going to be any assignments or any homework or anything during spring break. We're going to finish this quiz on the 8th and then have our spring break, relax, no online learning, no nothing, and then come back on the 20th. We may be back in school. If we're back in school, we'll do this in school. If we're not in school, then we're going to be doing the web quest anyway. So these assignments would be the same if we were in school or if we're not in school, whatever happens. I hope obviously to be back sooner than later, but I am realistic. And then we're going to be learning about the other America. There's a reading analysis and then a Google document. And then you'll also be doing a study guide on the 22nd. And then you're going to be taking your exam on the 24th. So whether we're in school or not in school, it's totally open note. So if you have your study guide and you'll have all of these materials, the Unit 7 exam is through Google Forms. Okay, so that is our schedule. And you'll always have a copy of this. If you go to our classwork section, Unit 7, Early Cold War. I'm actually going to move this down a little bit. Just going to move this down. So that's with the rest of the units. So we have Unit 6, and then we have Unit 7. You're going to click this. You're going to view the assignment. It looks a little bit differently on my end because I'm the teacher. But it says Origins of the Cold War - your name. That means that the Google Doc was made for you. You don't need to make a copy or do anything else. You open up the Google document. And there are 2 videos. This is a quick video on the Yalta Conference. You're going to watch this video and then type in complete sentences. What was the purpose of the Yalta Conference? You're going to type right in that box. what were the results of the Yalta Conference. So many people think that the early Cold War, kind of started at this conference, which was happening during World War II. So you're going to watch that. And then you're going to watch this video, Origins of the Cold War. It's about 10 minutes long. And then you're going to answer these questions. They go right in order in complete sentences right here. Okay. And when you're done, all you need to do is press submit. Okay. This is a 20-point assignment, and that should get us started with the early Cold War. As usual, I'm available for office hours. Really, I'm available all the time, but my official office hours are 12 to 1. If you need anything, please feel free to reach out. I hope that you're safe. I hope that you're well. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.